Now we see image formats. Okay, TIFF, TIFF, tagged image file format. So this format is a common desktop publishing world. It's used for high quality output. It is used for high quality output. It is supposed for all the software packages. This is support for all the software packages. Recent version of TIFF allows image compression, and the format is comfortable for moving a large files between the computers. So you have to transfer the large file from one computer to another computer. So next one, BMP. BMP is nothing but bitmap. It's a initial file format used with Windows 3.1. It's quite large. It's uncompressed. Okay, quite large and uncompressed. This is used for a high resolution or large image clarity kaga use pandrathu. Okay, so next one, DIB, device independent bitmap. A device independent bitmap contains a color table. So here color table means we are using the RGB colors. So in pixels, R means red, G means green, B means blue. Combination of these RGB colors, our pixels are created. Okay, so describing that colors producing by the emitting light. So for example, in TV you are increasing your color value and decreasing your color value, clarity will be differ. Okay, so next one, GIF, graphics interchange format. It is also compressed image format. It is also compressed image format. So here the color, image and backgrounds are GIF files. Color, image and backgrounds are GIF files. In this file format is mostly used for graphics purpose. It is, we are using the limited colors. It's most popular formats for using the online color photos. So this is a 13-bit color. So we are seeing the color table. Okay, so in this color table, GIF file formats are its color value. For example, black color means it will be fully zeros, white means fully F. So that is a F is a hexadecimal value. Okay, for example, any other pink, so some other F3 C1 like that. Okay, so any hexadecimal values, hexadecimal values. Okay, next one, RPEG, join photographic expert group. Join photographic expert group. So it's a full form for JPEG. Okay, it is also, it is here we are using the lossy compression techniques for digital images. It's a very good with photographs. So clarity is look like natural or okay. So here we are using some less on letters, drawings or simple cartoons like that we are using in this JPG image. Okay, next, Tagra. Tagra is also first popular format for high resolution images. Okay, see here also we are using the high resolution. Okay, so but it's a initial one. Okay, initial format, but Tagra is a most popular, so first popular format for using the high resolution images. So tag files are generally we are used for the animation video industry. See here, this is a PNG. So portable network graphics, an extension file formats for the less loss portable. Okay, there we are using the lossy compression. So here we are use less loss portable and compressed storage. Okay, this is comparing to GIF file and TIFF files. This PNG is work very good. So here we are mainly we are used for online viewing applications like World Wide Web or fully streamed with best quality options. So streamable is nothing but continuous way we are seeing the images. Okay, for example, your eyes quality always seeing, you are seeing the most of the things. Okay, so otherwise river, okay, falls like that, these and all always continuously they are pouring. Okay, so like that we are also continuously you are taking the images. So this until this is your image formats. Until this one, this is the image formats. Okay.